Hello, I'm making a short video to show the verification of the output generated assembly code for 8-bit computers for the given input given in the input text file. So I will give a brief of my project. There will be input.txt that we are writing our simple lang in it, and then there is lexer.h, that is the header for file that we made for lexer.cpp. Here we are identifying these 15 tokens, and when we have parser, we have parser.h. We have made AST node, then we are extending this AST node for other nodes, variable nodes, number node, binary node, variable declarations, and we have functions like generate_l and generate_r. I have to make generate_l and generate_r for storing the value in register A or for register B, so that when I add or subtract, the values will be in correct position as I wanted it to be. So let's now go ahead with the output of my program. So this is a program I previously compiled it. This is the exe file. I will run it, and then it is generating this assembly 8-bit code. So I will copy it, and this file is saved in WSL. So I have opened this Ubuntu in WSL and running this command that was given on GitHub. So I will now make an. So here you can see, first of all, let's verify the assembly code. Load 8 into register A, load 9 into register B. Now add and save it to register A. Then we'll move this to address 9. So we are here writing to the memory address. So you can see it in the output. And and these are the register values after the completion of the after the CPU halts normally. So now as per given in your Google form, I will have to copy this and paste this into input.txt file. Control X, Control X. I have also added one else branch feature that was not mentioned in the assignment, but my compiler could handle it. So this will be the input file. I've changed the input file. So in the main file, it is reading this input file and saving the output to output.asm. So um, let's see for the compiled one. I've added these coutts for my debugging, for helping me in debugging, because when I had to spend 2 hours debugging this code, so this was the this assembly code that has been generated. Now I will copy it to the WSL code.asm file, which is being run by the command. So this command will be running the code.asm file. So after, so here you can say first the memory allocation was there. So like int A and int B and int C. This is a memory location. So when we assign 10 to A, it is here. When we assign 20 to B, it is here. When we assign 30 to C, like A plus B is 30, and when 31 is there, so it is generating 31 output. We could check it also if it's not equal to 31. Let's say 31 it is. So we'll go and come and execute the file again, and we will change it into the CPP file. Control S and run it again. So here you can see the value is being reduced by 1, that is c minus 11. And now I will be submitting this video to you. For your verification, please let me know if you have